What's up, guys? What you see here is a 2001 2-amp Hunter original ceiling fan. This fan is in white. I got this fan from John Connolly at Fanimation, the 2022 group trip. I previously had a video of this fan on my channel with 4 blades, but I figured it deserved a video with all 5. And now it's a few months later. I had this installed in my room in my mom's house, and I have a different light kit on it. So yeah, here's the light. I have an LED bulb in there. And just while I have the light on, I will show you the tag. I'll try to see if I can get the 01 sticker in the shot. There you go, it says 01. And these blades are kind of dusty because this fan does run a lot. And there's the information right there, if you can see it. I don't know if it's a little bit blurry. There's the oil hole and the canopy. And it's a little dusty because I run this fan a lot and I have a lot of pets. So please excuse that. I need to clean it. Probably leave the light on for the demonstration. Let's turn it on low. So, this fan is from 2001, probably making it one of the last American-made Hunter original ceiling fans, albeit they were pretty much cast in but I cannot talk today. They were cast overseas, but I think they were just wound and assembled here. I think I need to tighten that globe. It's making a little bit of a buzzing sound. Yeah, low speed's pretty nice. It's nice and it's like it's in the middle of aesthetic and functional. Like it moves air, but it still looks pretty nice. So I have one childhood memory of Hunter Originals, which is in a hotel, I think it was a Hilton Hotel in Cincinnati, Ohio. There was an atrium of some sort. And there were at least, it was like a large, it was like the lobby of the hotel was probably, it had 25-foot ceilings, and there was a glass ceiling and like metal beams running across, and there was about probably 20 of these in rows. And I was like probably 4 or 5 years old, and I was just fascinated how many fans there were. I think you can find pictures of that install online. I think it's the Hilton Hotel in downtown Cincinnati, Ohio. Let's put it on medium. I'll just tighten the screws more. So I've noticed a difference. Sorry, that's my TV just squeaking around. I apologize for that. I'm kind of resting my arm on it. I think this fan would be a decent candidate for 4-speed. So I think medium is a little too fast. I think it's more of like a medium high. So maybe like a medium low speed or just a medium would be nice on this fan. So that's just my thought though. I think medium is a little too fast for this fan. Decent air though. So, I'm trying to think what else to say here. I think, from what I've heard, this is kind of just a side topic, if you will. It still relates to originals, but I think from what I've heard, there was a theory, or I think there was a thing going around by, I think from Brian Hicks, that these Hunter originals in the R&M era were not just made in Memphis. I think there was also a plant in Mississippi and Florida. But don't quote me on that, but that's what I've heard. I think that can be deciphered using the CAT number on the tag. So I'll probably ask him about mine, because I have an 84 one that I just would be interested to see where it was made. So now let's turn it on high. High speed is very fast, and it's a very good air mover. And yes, this fan is mounted on a U-bolt drilled in the wood and a brand new grommet, so I'm not worried about this fan falling down. Yeah, this is high speed. But airflow noise for you. Very good fan. These 2 amps are very good fans. And these Hunter originals in the 80s and 90s and 2000s, they were sold at a lot of places. I think the guy John, who I bought this from, we're pretty good friends. He told me about how he got a 1989, I think, polished brass one from new in the box, and it said purchased at a Kmart. So I was kind of amazed by that. So who knows what I think this was probably sold at Lowe's or Home Depot or wherever. These were sold at a lot of places. These are very good fans. And let's shut her off. Yep, there you go. A 2001 2 amp Hunter original ceiling fan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.